What is God like? Every culture has had some concept of God, but each only gets part of the picture. God is in control of everything, everywhere, and is knowable through the Bible. God's existence is self-evident through creation. God is the creator of all things, almighty, eternal, and exists above and beyond all of creation. He is sovereign, spirit, unchanging, all-knowing, all-present, holy, glorious, and just. He will judge all sin and unrighteousness. There are observable laws of morality, and there is a universal belief that right and wrong exist, reflecting the God who made us. Jesus showed us the Father and that God seeks to save the lost. He is compassionate, merciful, forgiving, and will judge unrepentant sin. Most of all, Jesus showed us that God is love.